What do I get for my birthday? What do I get for my birthday? What do I get for my birthday? What do I get for my birthday?
Actually making my bed. Leading up to my birthday, I wanted to be productive as possible and kind of just get things out of the way that I've been meaning to do. I don't know, I just feel like I can party more effectively with a clean house. Does that make sense? I don't know. It's probably just me. This is definitely me in my housewife era because, child, I definitely did not make my bed like this until now. I didn't cook, I didn't clean. It's a miracle I got this ring, honey. JK. I'm actually really enjoying marriage. I feel like it's bringing out this more nurturing, loving side of me. I'm so used to being, like, as you all know me, this girl boss and independent and this and that, bringing out this more loving and caring side of myself that I've always had, but now I have somewhere to pour my love into. I've made it to the salon. This is relaxer day. Remember when I used to do these videos, y'all? My hairstylist, who typically did my hair for my entire adult life, decided to close her salon down, and I thought I was gonna die. But she sent me to my hairdresser now, who is Pam. She's amazing. What I really like about her, though, is she's really into hair health. She's a trichologist, so not only does she slay my hair, but she guides me on healthy hair and hair growth, and I'm just so thankful for her. Working with her on my hair health and working with my doctor on the health of my body, I think has made my hair just extremely healthy and thick. My advice to you is if your hair is not growing or it's getting damaged or falling out a lot, number one, check your health, check with your doctor. My doctor actually put me on a vitamin that's helping my hair grow. Also, check with your hairstylist. Is your hairstylist the right person to be doing your hair? Are they into hair health or just making it look cute? I think all of this has mattered, and I think it's made a big difference in my hair journey. As you guys can see, my hair is absolutely thriving. This is after she blow dried and flat ironed it, and then she's gonna give me a nice little trim and bump the ends for me. Another thing I think that's helped is me creating my own hair routine based solely on my specific hair's needs. When I first got relaxed, stretching your relaxer was like the thing that everybody was doing, and hair influencers and everybody was saying stretch your relaxers to maintain the health of your hair. And so that's what I did. I thought it was gonna help my hair, but because the texture of my hair is so fine and my coils are so tight, the difference in the hair texture of my relaxed hair and my natural hair, just after so many months, it just breaks it off. My hair can't handle that. So I go now every 2 months for a touch-up, and this might seem a lot for some people, but my hair has done really, really well with it. It's no longer breaking off because I'm trying to stretch my relaxer out for a million days. So just to do what's best for your hair. What someone else is doing for their hair may not work for your head of hair. So once I stopped following trends and started doing what was best for my hair, that's when I really saw growth. What I need to work on is not making my ponytail so tight. What she's explaining here is that I had a few pieces that were broken off where I had my ponytail extremely tight, so she was just telling me not to do that. FYI, if you have a big truck, don't get a car wash membership. Just got a fresh car wash. I'm gonna pop in Sephora because I have to pee so bad. But I need to see if they're gonna let me get my birthday gift early because I'll be out of town on my actual birthday. So let's see. So from Sephora, like my mom says, I got the Moroccan oil birthday gift. I like doing these for trips, like the small sizes. Mika overnight hydration treatment. Oh baby, I'm about to use the heck out of this.
I need a new one ASAP. I run it up, they busy running their mouth. Going live on my birthday. Spending 100 racks on a new chain.
Made it to another year, she thanked the Lord. She must be Christian with all this Christian Dior.
I'm coming in fast. Y'all tell them you won't make it. And tell your baby mama you gon' be a leader.
I'm using this little Makeup by Mario palette. I really like this because I travel with this. It has like every neutral color, everything you would need to do a basic eye look. Oh my gosh, this brings me back to old school YouTube days. I have hooded eyes. Is it called hooded or is it called monolid? I'm obsessed with my dress. Pink, of course. I'm gonna add some pink. Y'all, I have so many palettes I don't use. It really makes no sense. It's really not good, actually. For my birthday, I'm going to dinner tonight with my friends. Original plan was for, like, my husband surprised me with going to see Janae in Houston. Janae is like my favorite singer other than Beyonce. Super happy and super surprised. But Houston just happened to get a hurricane right before the concert, and also we had some other things happen and it just didn't work out, unfortunately. I was so sad. I literally like almost cried my eyes out. Anyways, today my husband calls me and he surprised me and he said, hey, we're gonna leave out tomorrow. And I'm like, to go where? He's like, we're gonna go to Atlanta to see Janae for your birthday. She's doing a show on my actual birthday. Concert's Monday and come back Tuesday. I'm gonna do this color right here. It's coming out brown though. Even though these are pre-glued, I still despise putting on lashes.
Y'all, not me fighting for like half an hour with these lashes. I just was over it after so long and I gave up and let my friend do it. Note to self, do not put on glitter eyeshadow before trying to apply lashes.
Oh my god, I can't keep a straight face with pink. Oh wait, is this something else? Yeah, use that video! I don't even know what I'm doing in this. Give me lit, pose on my hair, they find out that I'm rich and they switch. Bday badge.
Y'all want a shot or something?
Are you really asking me that?
Now, when I tell y'all my husband did his big one for my birthday and went all out, he did his thing. Everything was totally first class, including the flight and transportation. Our hotel was amazing. He took me to a lot of nice restaurants. This was Flying Biscuit, I think, that we had brunch at. And when I tell y'all our hotel was everything, it was everything. I just had to do some exploring because it was so dope. Before the concert, we did dinner at STK. I didn't get any footage because it was a lot, but we did STK and then we headed over to the concert and went through security. The venue was the State Farm Arena in Atlanta and it was huge. As you guys can see, she had a packed out show. It was amazing. I literally cried the whole time. While We're Young is my husband and I's wedding song, so I bawled my eyes out. It was just amazing, y'all. My husband knows the way to my heart, and this was definitely it. This trip was top tier. He did amazing. I'm so thankful and so grateful. I didn't want to, but we had to head back, so I'm sulking on the plane.
I'm home. Oh boy. If I start talking about how good it was and all that stuff, I'm gonna start crying because it literally was the best birthday ever. I don't know, I feel like I probably could have gotten more, but I just really wanted to live in the moment as much as possible because it literally was a moment for life. So, but I hope I got enough for you guys to get an idea of what it was like. And yeah, thank y'all for watching and I'll see you in the next one.
Follow me on Instagram and TikTok if you want to see more from my birthday. It was just so much. I literally couldn't fit in this video. So follow me on those platforms and enjoy. I'll see you in my next video.